providers. So we don't stop Namibians to put money in digital assets. What we are asking for is those that provide the services to Namibians must be licensed and authorized by the Bank of Namibia. Why are we asking that of them? If they take your money and they disappear, there's no right for recourse. So if we license them, we regulate them, we make sure that they've got a buffer of capital sitting in a safe place. So if they lose your money, we go take that and support yourself and the system. And also again, trying to see how can we further expand the Namibia Deposit Guarantee Authority to make sure that you are accommodated when you lose your money via a virtual asset service provider. So you can acquire Bitcoins, you can acquire digital assets. How much you can acquire, there is what we call a limit on every Namibian in terms of the amount of money that you can take outside Namibia. If you want to take more than the threshold that we allow per annum, you do require our permission as well under the Currencies and Exchanges Act. So I hope that